Today we're going to explore an important concept in programming that you can use in your Godot projects: getters and setters. In programming, getters and setters are methods that allow you to control access to an object's properties. A getter retrieves the value of a property, while a setter updates the value. So why use getters and setters in Godot? The main reasons are encapsulation and data integrity. By using these methods, you can keep your object's internal state private and only expose necessary details. This prevents unwanted modifications and keeps your data consistent. Another benefit is that by using getters and setters, you can prevent your game from doing unnecessary work every frame and instead only do that work when the value is changed. Imagine you have a player that has gold, and you want to update the UI when the amount of gold changes, but also ensure the player never goes into debt by having negative gold. Using getters and setters can help achieve this fairly easily. Let's take a look at how. In this script, the XP and gold values are updated in the UI every frame. There's a lot of unnecessary work happening here since those values don't get updated as often as they write to the UI. Additionally, we have no way of preventing another script from making the player's gold value go negative. To refactor the code to meet our goals, we can start by assigning functions for get and set to each variable like this, ensuring that the data type for each is specified. Godot will throw an error because the functions we've assigned haven't been created yet, so let's go ahead and create them. We'll start with the getGold function and have it return the gold value without any modifications. Next, we'll define the setGold function. Here, we can validate that the amount of gold being set isn't a negative number. If it is, we'll set gold to 0. Otherwise, we'll let the value be assigned as normal. We can also use this opportunity to update the UI, so that whenever this value gets changed, and only when the value is changed, will we update the user interface. Because we're doing this in the setter, we can remove the UI update from the process function. Now, we can do the same thing for XP by defining the getXP function, followed by the setXP function. The setter for our XP doesn't need the same validation as gold in this case because we won't be subtracting XP from the player at any point. But we do still want to use the setter to update the UI node for XP. Now we can completely remove the process function and replace it with a ready function that sets the initial values for each. Using getters and setters can help you maintain better control over the values assigned to your variables, validate information for data security, and reduce the work done every frame by only triggering certain scripts when a value is changed. Hopefully this video helped shed some light on how useful this can be when designing and optimizing your games. That's all for now, guys, and thanks for watching.